let's discuss how to add a TV show to your favorites and where to find that favorites list with this app. First, let's go to Guide and find a TV show that you would like to add to your favorites. Once you do, hold the OK button for at least 2 seconds to have this secondary menu pop up. You will then scroll over to the Add to Favorites option and select that with the purple OK button. Once you select this, the Select a Favorites List field should appear. Now either it will be blank or it will already have a favorites list selected. Either way, once it is selected, you will scroll down to the OK button and select it. This channel is now added to your favorites list. To view your favorites list, you first have to go back to the main menu and then scroll down to your channels option and then select it. Once you select it, you can use the arrow buttons on your Roku remote to scroll left and right, and you will be able to find your favorites list. You can now easily access all of the favorite channels you have, and when you want to view one, you simply just have to click on it and you will go directly to it. This concludes how to add a channel to your favorites list in the SFN TV NOW app.